Welcome to our comparison of two powerful graphics cards, the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super and the XFX Quicksilver AMD Radeon RX 9070. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance, and unique features to help you determine which GPU is the better choice for your gaming and computing needs. Both cards boast impressive technology and capabilities, but they cater to slightly different audiences. Let's dive in. When it comes to performance, the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super stands out with its DLSS 3 technology, which enhances frame rates and visual fidelity in supported games. It has a boost clock of up to 2,655 MHz, making it a powerhouse for high-resolution gaming. On the other hand, the XFX Quicksilver AMD Radeon RX 9070 offers a slightly higher boost clock of up to 2,700 MHz, providing competitive performance in various gaming scenarios. Both cards are equipped with 16 GB of GDDR6 memory, ensuring smooth gameplay even in demanding titles. However, the unique features of DLSS 3 may give the ASUS an edge in specific applications. Cooling is crucial for maintaining optimal performance during intense gaming sessions. The ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super features an axial tech fan design with 0 decibels technology, ensuring silent operation during light loads. This design allows for efficient airflow and heat dissipation. In contrast, the XFX Quicksilver AMD Radeon RX 9070 utilizes a triple fan cooling solution, which also provides effective thermal management. Both cards are designed to keep temperatures in check, but the ASUS's advanced cooling technology may offer a quieter experience under load. Price is often a deciding factor for many gamers. The ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super comes with a price tag of $829, reflecting its high-end features and performance. In contrast, the XFX Quicksilver AMD Radeon RX 9070 is priced at $789, making it a more budget-friendly option without sacrificing too much in terms of performance. For those looking for value, the XFX may be the better choice, while the ASUS offers premium features that justify its higher cost. In conclusion, both the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super and the XFX Quicksilver AMD Radeon RX 9070 are excellent choices for gamers and PC enthusiasts. The ASUS offers cutting-edge technology with DLSS 3 and effective cooling, while the XFX provides competitive performance at a lower price point. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.